today, guys. It's somebody's birthday! Essie is actually turning 3, guys. Can you guys imagine that? 3, a whole 3. 1, 2, 3.
And for every Omabelletv family video, we're gonna be doing a giveaway! And to guess the giveaway, go to omabelletv.com and watch the video to get a clue.
Yes, guys, and definitely come back to the comment section and let us know what you found in the video, because there's gonna be a giveaway! Hello, Essie, what's that? That's a skeleton. Essie, look at this. So we're here, we're trying to pick up something for Essie's birthday. It's gonna be a long Labor Day weekend, guys. It's Essie's birthday today, so we're celebrating all weekend long. All weekend long. He's obsessed with blue, so
Oh, pick that up. Put it back in.
Do you want this car? Trick.
I don't need them.
Look, look at the man's Look, the fans that can light up.
Essie, you can't be packing all these things, Essie.
Huh?
No? No?
You like some? What about this would like this bucket?
Yeah.
We could put all of his tickets in here. No, you can't even put the tickets there. They come by bands.
We just need something small. Let's go get his costume. Essie, all you
Hush
need
you.
is your Let's go.
No, that's Tiny the Fire Truck.
Essie, you're on your own wall.
Hello, it's the police here. What are you doing tonight?
Are we getting balloons? We can get blue balloons and just blow balloons and put it on the floor.
The police? The police? What are you doing?
Right, Essie?
Are you stealing? What are you doing? Are you counting your loot? What are anybody in trouble over? I need backup. This guy is stealing. Put him. Gotta chain him down. Chain him down. Pick up his loot. Take it away. Gotta pick up his loot. You gotta stay here. You stay here, criminal. You stay here.
We just need, what would bring this whole thing up is balloons. We need to get
There are balloons and the other thing.
Yeah, let's go. So I got the plates and...
I buy Marshall's hat. Where is Marshall's hat?
Okay, let's go now.
Yeah, hi, sorry. Okay,
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Okay.
Look, Essie, you better come and pack these things. Hey, Essie, go clean up. Go clean up, clean up. Everybody do your shit. Hey, hey, clean up. Hey, hey. Clean up. Go put this thing. Clean up, clean up. Everybody do your shit. Clean up. Put your things away. Come, go put it here, over there. You gonna put it? Okay, thank you. I put it for you. Give me. No, we don't need that.
He likes Hot Wheels.
Hold on.
We have to get him a blue car.
Come on, Essie, get in. Let's go, guys. Let's go.
It's a boy.
Yeah. Where's the balloon? Somebody said it's here.
Now what are these balloons? These balloons.
Okay, this is 3.
What's with the music? It's so sad. Oh, Mommy, there are these balloons. There are confetti balloons. Ace would love popping these.
Pretty sure this is 3. Like this.
Yep. Look, remember that thing?
I have
Yeah, I know.
All right.
No, trinkets. These are toy things. It's not sugar stuff. It's toy stuff.
Let me choose.
Let's see this one.
Yeah. Oh my God, little Hubby.
It's only you like this. Hey, Sifu.
That one too, AC?
Only you.
Really? A second one, AC?
Only you like this.
AC, really?
Loves cars. Add a gummy bear in there while you at it. Oh, Daddy, there are nerds. Oh wow, look at that notebook. Cool. Where's Casey? Oh look. Demon Slayer. Oh no! What's that? They have Nezuko, Rengoku, Metsuri, Giyu, Nezuko.
That's it?
No, we have to swipe card. We lost. They killed us. Okay, this time we can. Oh, Angel, you're doing it this time. The pterodactyls are coming. Get it. Come on, get it.
Uh-oh.
No, they got off Angel's farm. Oh, you're gonna get them. Get them. Get it. Oh, wait, you are so bad at this.
Uh-oh. Guys, say cheese. Put your hand up.
Happy birthday, AC. Careful with him.
Let's get a picture. We have to quickly get a picture.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
The way I'm doing so cool.
Hey, Sipu. Yay. Hey, see, that's the projector. We're going to watch a movie. Hey, so are you going to watch a movie? Yeah? Hey, see, you eating?
She's just eating the pretzels.
Hey, see, that's your shoe, eh? Something else. Let me get the plates. Essie, look. Essie, look. You want to go have some? Yeah? Yay. No? You don't want food? Better come have some. Come on, Jerry, something.
No, I mean not.
Shall we continue? Yes. That was good. I could have gone. Yes. Please, can I play cookie games? What's so fun about this? Well, there's one way you have to make Chuck E. Cheese.
Let's start jacket.
Hubby, your mum's here. She had a great day today.
Oh, that's lovely.
Casey. You know what time is it? What's that? Candy? No, no candy. No candy, little guy. Boom. Make sure you say hi to the people.
Hi guys, so it's the season. It's fall season, so we came to Walmart to look around and see what we can buy. And I'm just coming back from my hair braiding place. I got a new braids. I decided to get some goddess braids. This actually looks good. I like it. What do you think?
Tie it.
I wish I can have like, it's after Labor Day, no more white, right? I wanted to say I wish I can find a white dress to go.
Casey, hi.
Hey, say hi.
Girls, this way.
So see the medium, or do you think I should get large?
Girls, what do you think?
You think the medium is good or I should get large? A bigger one? Is good?
Yeah.
That's all I have to say.
One, 2, 3, 4. What happened to the umbrella that you had? Can we give that to him, please? Can we give that to him, please? Yay! AC has his umbrella back. AC, did your umbrella look like that?
Yeah.
Or that?
No.
Really?
Yeah. And we get cheese.
No.
Look at this though.
Ace is putting solar shields. He's putting solar shields.
For that, AC. Nobody asked me.
I don't think today is anything that Ace touch we buy day, right?
I ain't doing that. AC, do you have money? Are you going to go walk?
Girls, should today be that anything that Ace touch we buy day?
No.
No.
We should go. We should go to the candy section and then the toy section and do that.
Really?
That would be good.
AC, did you hear that? You have a vote. You have a vote that anything that you touch is actually for the candy section and also the toy section.
I definitely like on AC.
AC. So, you gotta keep a straight face. Don't make me laugh, okay? So this shade, this one or the one that I have on my face, all right? I'm gonna say something, and based on what I tell you, you're gonna judge whether or not it's men or women. You better not laugh.
I already know that it's funny.
No, it's not funny. All right, ready? Okay. So you're looking at the glasses, right? AC, are you judging? All right. Ready? Don't make me laugh. Okay, you keep it a straight face. All right. You ready? Hold on. Okay. I'm gonna say it. I'm like, ready? All right. I'm just looking at Aguile's face. I don't like men no more. Yo, you guys have problems, yo.
Can we go home? I'm tired. Let's go. I don't like men no more. I love women. Hi guys, so everything we have on right here is all from Walmart. This is behind the scenes of our Walmart try-on or lookbook.
How's it, Angel? Let me see.
Everything is going to be linked right in my description box. We are, as you guys can see, we are all fall ready. It's fall, it's screaming fall. I absolutely love this jacket. Hubby, come and show them your jacket, babe. Come show them your jacket. So everything he has on here is also from Walmart. His boots, trouser. What is this called? Jacket?
No, it's like a, I guess you can say it's like a short jacket.
A shirt jacket. Everything, all Walmart. Mommy, you got the pictures? You think we good?
Good.
You think, let me get some, let me take you and then you take me.